In woodworking, there's many different ways to approach a project, both in mindset and technique. I believe it's important for everybody to find the method that works best for them. All right, now that we have our board milled up and straight lined, we're gonna take our templates that we cut up and we're gonna place them on here. So one thing you wanna keep in mind is grain matching. Now that's just simply knowing when this piece connects to here, that although you're going from flat grain to long grain here, there's going to be somewhat an abrupt change, but there are ways to make that a little bit more subtle. And you just want to keep in mind that you know, the color of the grain and the figure of the grain will go in nicely with that. If you want to get real carried away, you know, you can carry on the sapwood through the joints. You know, I've really spent some time at certain points in my life and try to make sure that the sapwood goes from here on up. Typically that's a little bit overkill. I think at this point we're just going to simply try to make sure that grain has a nice flow to it. You know, with this, there's a lot of inclusions, there's lots of stuff going on. You know, you can see there's some knots and, you know, to me it's pretty cool. I like seeing the sapwood, so it's up to you to utilize it as much as possible. Nothing helps you grow more than just getting out there and building something.